Okay guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna be rebuilding that jump. It's kind of destroyed. Me and my friends actually built it like maximum 3 weeks ago, but it didn't never turn out really good. And so yeah, I'm gonna rebuild that. Hopefully there's gonna be a trail going down here. I think I'm gonna have to cut these the grass over here. Hey guys, so the jump is starting to look a little bit better. It's obviously not done yet. I hope you guys can see that. But as you can see, the lip, it does not have a lip yet, and I don't want this to be like one of those jumps, you know. And this run is, it's gonna be fixed because like this is just like a bunch of dirt and stones and sticks and stuff. So I will be doing that, and I will make sure to get exact stick that matches the length of the jump. Like I'm not gonna, let's say, yeah, I'm not gonna take, for example, this stick. I'm not gonna put this here because it's too long. The side will stick out, like for example right here. The side will stick out and it will be really, really ugly. So bye stick. I don't know about you, but I think this looks pretty damn sweet. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, maybe the lip is not done, I don't know. But I'm gonna stack some dirt. Oh, mosquito, I hate mosquitoes. I'm gonna put some dirt on here. And hopefully it will be a smoother jump. And yeah, I see right now that the jump is it's not lining up correctly with the trail, which is a real bummer. But we're gonna figure that out. Yes, I'm gonna be honest, the jump is turning out pretty well. But I'm just way too tired. It's a Friday after school. Yeah, so I'm pretty tired. I'm sweating right now. But I will come back here tomorrow. It's apparently gonna rain.
Oh, Gary, you know what they say. Curiosity salted the snail. Mind your wandering eye, you little mollusk. Sweet dreams, Gary.
The next day.
It's not raining. Okay, so it's not it's not raining. It's actually maybe just a little sunny. The weather forecast says it will be raining at 2, but I think the jump will probably be ready by then. So I'm gonna go take the e-scooter, take my shovel, and head up the trail. So unfortunately it's overheating as well. I was doing a time lapse so you guys could see. Widening the trail is not gonna happen. Or even putting rocks along, because that's too much effort for too little progress. But yeah, some nice music playing, and I'm gonna go up and get my bike, and gonna try to see where the landing should be. Okay, I'll be back in around 5 minutes, for me at least. Watched the footage and I looked pretty stiff. As you could see, the jump got really destroyed. I'm not fully motivated to keep on going. Like, we can still try. Yeah, because this is so disappointing. I'll just have to fix the jump a little bit. Okay, we're back. I fixed the jump. It's the lip is way more not sharp right now, as I did a nosedive on the last one. But if this does not work, I don't know what I will do. But Gonna go send this jump now. Expectations are not high, but I'm gonna see if this actually is good now. See ya. Oh, I mean see ya. My English is bad. Okay, so the jump is kinda-ish not broken. Not as much as the last time. And it felt just a little better this time. Yeah, then we're done. Just gonna try this. And we'll see how it goes. So yeah, trying to come in with good speed now. I've done this quite a couple of times off camera now, but I think I'm used to it enough to be able to show you guys. Okay, so jump feels okay. Rest of the trail is rough, but this jump alone is pretty unrealistic for the competition. If you search up like Sunne Sweden Cup Enduro, there's gonna be almost little to no jumps. So this is purely for fun. But we're done. This wasn't a complete disappointment, but it's nice if, for example, if I were to come here and just ride it without it being me building it, I would be like, yeah, it's a cool jump, definitely. But when you put all the effort and stuff into it, it becomes a lot more boring because it did not turn out like the way you would. Yeah, nice jump though, and thank you all for watching my video. This is my first long form. I hope you guys have a nice day, nice evening, nice morning, whatever. Yeah, thanks for watching, and please drop some video ideas in the comments that's realistic, not like me going with Jackson Goldstone.